Hello. It is so good to see you again. I want to tell you a little bit about one of our luscious products that we have in our store at Adironda.com. You know, we get approached all the time from people who want us to carry this line or want us to carry this brand of water or want us to carry one thing or another. And, Joy and I made an agreement a long time ago with Adironda that we would only carry things that we use. And so the Legendary Intuition Support Kit is one of the things that we both have used. And it's surprisingly powerful. I just want to tell you a little bit about it. It's a three-part kit. And the first part is the precursor star drops. And it's made from, specially formulated water, trace elements from sea salt, essential oils like cinnamon and clove and oregano or other things. And speaking of oregano, um, the person who created this, he is actually a plant communicator. He, Peter May, he is an amazing being of light that lives in the Sangre de Cristo mountain range, the Blood of Christ mountain range in Colorado and Crestone, Colorado. And he actually listens and can hear the messages from the plants and the trees in his environment. Now, just to let you know, he can indeed um, have those messages brought to him through an outside device, meaning he's got a device that you hook it up to oregano, for instance, which is where I saw the squirrel and went to oregano, and you can actually hear the song that oregano makes when you come close to it or put your hand over it. I, I will never eat oregano or celery again without hearing that song in my head from oregano and from celery or from the other plants that we had. It was that we tested this on. Well, anyway, that's who Peter May is, who created the Legendary Intuition Support Kit. So, with this energy of the Legendary Intuition Support Kit, it is a three-part series. I've told you the precursor drops. They are one part. And what you do when you get it is you smell it, and then you drop 3 drops on the crown of your head. And if it feels like it's going to run into your eyes, oh, there goes my cat. She likes the precursor drops. And and then rub it in so it doesn't run into your eyes. And then you have um, the crown jewel star drops, and then you do the same. You drop 3 drops on the crown of your head, and you smell it, and it is made of essential oils as well, sandalwood, and oil from the pinyon pine. The pinyon pine is what the pineal gland is named after because the pine cones actually look like the pineal gland of the pinyon pine, and the pine cones of the pinyon pine look like the pineal gland in your body, not vice versa. And the pinyon pine actually shared these particular formulas with Peter, and that's how he created the Legendary Intuition Support Kit. Then the third section is your Intuition Star Nectar, and you take just a little bit and you put it on your throat chakra, your third eye, and then a little right in that dent at the back of your neck, and you rub that in, and that actually helps you expand your intuition. And it's not a earth-shattering kind of thing, but it is something that is very specific. I remember one of the first times I did it. I used it actually for 21 days consecutively, and did it while I meditated, or before I meditated, and then um, went through the rest of my day. And amazing things happened going through the day. Like, just an example was I got the message to take a pen with me to the in the car while I was running errands. And then while I was out, I actually uh, had to go by the bank, and I thought, I don't need to take a pen with me because I have several pens in my car. But none of those pens worked when I got to the bank, and the pen that I brought with me did work. So it's that kind of intuition, that kind of flavorful energy that keeps you on focus, on point, and living on your divine path every day. So the Legendary Intuition Support Kit, when you use it, I recommend the first few times anyway to really center your energy and go into a bit of a meditation before or afterwards, and ask it to help you expand your intuition. We all would love to live by our intuition, right? And so that's kind of what this does. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the Intuition Support Kit. So I hope you enjoy it. I think we're having it on as a special right now. So enjoy. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.